Students, we are studying our chapter 1, that is changing trends in career and physical education. We have discussed few topics in our last three sessions, that objectives, definitions, and aim of physical education. Today we are going to discuss about the career options in physical education. Whenever we take any subject, definitely there is something in our mind ki if we'll take it, what will be our future. So today we are going to discuss about the career options in field of physical education. In physical education, you can be a teacher which can provide all the study materials and everything. For that you have to be well qualified with certified degree or diploma in physical education from a recognized university. You can be a coach. For this as a career, one must have a certified diploma from NIS, that is National Institute of Sport, in a game or sport. He must have good experience of playing and participating in the game. As a physical trainer instructor, to choose this as a career, one must possess certified diploma after 12th class and good physical fitness abilities. As a specialist or official of a game, any good player of any game can easily become a specialist or official of the game. This is upcoming profession, so very much in trend in coming days. Yoga is very much popular nowadays, so you can be a yoga instructor. How you can opt this as a career? The need of the society is coming up more towards yogic practices. Does yogic techniques help to give therapeutic effect among with the overcoming over stresses of life? For this as a career, one must have good experience of performing and educating yogic techniques. You can be a sports journalist or commentator. Today media, newspaper, magazine, etc. need professional people of sport to perform in journalism. So this career option is also coming up. A large number of channels and newspapers need good commentators or reporters, etc. So good sportsmen with impressive voice along with handsome personality are appointed as commentators or reporters. You can be a dietitian or physiotherapist. An educated physical educationalist has good knowledge of dietetics, so they can choose this as a profession. The knowledge of physical education provides good experience of sport injuries and their treatment. Thus, they can adopt this as profession like sport physiotherapist, rehabilitation expert, ortho expert, etc. As a biomechanics, talented and good researchers or physical educationalists help in developing new scientific tools which help the human race. They are required in fast growing industries. So, as a biomechanics, also you can choose a career in field of physical education. As an administrator or officer or employee, a good sport person is a good leader and a good organizer. So this helps him to act as a good administrator. Many physical educationalists are especially required as administrators, directors, managers, etc. Lot of private companies, limited companies, or semi-government companies, government sector firms, etc. prefer a sport person. So many players are chosen for these professions, like in railways, airways, police, defense, banking, electricity board, etc. So these are the various options. Other than also many options are available. You can find and search for it. So these are the options where you can be choose as a career in the field of physical education. So have we have studied that There are different career options as physical education or instructor, coach, umpire, referee, professional player, sport and leisure club manager, administration, sport and business marketing, sport journalism, sport photojournalism. These all things, many many career options are available in the physical education. So that's all for today. I hope you understood, and it has you have a vast career option if you are choosing physical education. So have good time, study well, and keep on exercising daily. Thank you.